Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Fiesta. First, make sure your car's ignition is on and the radio is powered up. Next, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth, making sure it's discoverable. Then, on your Fiesta's dashboard, navigate to the phone menu using the controls. This sets the stage for a smooth connection process. Now, from your car's phone menu, select Add Device or Add Bluetooth Device. Your Fiesta's sync system will then become discoverable. On your phone, look for Sync in the Bluetooth device list and select it. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Confirm these numbers match. Finally, grant sync permission to access your contacts if prompted, usually by selecting Yes or Allow. If you encounter connection issues, there are a few simple fixes. First, try a master reset of your sync system through the car's settings menu. Another option is to disconnect your car's battery for about 5 minutes, then reconnect it. You could also locate and temporarily remove the sync system's fuse, waiting 30 seconds before reinserting it. Lastly, remember to delete any old, unused devices from your car's Bluetooth memory. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy seamless connectivity. Stream your favorite music and podcasts directly through your Fiesta speakers. Make and receive hands-free phone calls, keeping your focus on the road. You can also use voice commands for many functions, enhancing convenience and safety. Best of all, your phone will automatically reconnect to your car each time you start the engine, making your drives more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.